probably evolved, but what was the original why for you guys?
So there were a few original whys, and yes, it has been an evolution, starting in 2018 to what it is now. It has certainly changed in the market. At the time that we started our projects, there obviously is always an interest in revenue generation. That's going to be a default assumption for any business that's going into this. But it also has to do with the customer experience. There's also the efficiency within the organization as well, right? Us having visibility to the products. There was a potential for data gathering, as well as being able to help our customers more efficiently and learn from those installations in the field. So really, I would say that when we started, what we saw as the real case for it was really from an operational perspective. Because we had products that had a very robust control system. We're monitoring 144 different points on our products, but that wasn't as visible when you're standing in front of the product. And so having the IoT solution really gave us the ability to put all of those points of data in one place, focus on the ones that were most important, and then look at the trending data. And that really gave us a much more holistic view of the operation of the product. So we were able to do faster troubleshooting and recommendations. And then you could look at the monetary value of it afterwards, because then you could prove the value of the product from the customer experience standpoint.